So I'm here with a very special patient, Rachel. Are we 5 weeks or 6 weeks?
6 weeks.
We are 6 weeks after full face rejuvenation surgery. We did several surgeries. We did an upper blepharoplasty.
Yes.
We did a full face fat transfer procedure, an extended D-plane neck and lower facelift, and a full face CO2 laser.
That's right.
And we were just talking because you're still early, but you're doing really well. You said, number one, it was hard to make the decision to do the surgery.
Yes.
And then you finally decided. So tell me a little bit about that. What was it that was making you hesitant?
As a mom, you always do for other people. Kind of felt a little selfish. It was good to do something for myself, and I'm super happy with it.
Awesome.
Glad I did it.
Your recovery journey, which is still ongoing.
Yes.
We had a couple bumps in the road, didn't we?
We did a little bit.
You told me that you looked at yourself at some point early in the recovery and you said what?
What have I done?
Do you remember what day that was?
I was in the first week. Felt terrible. I was tired. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm thinking, oh, the recovery, I'm not bouncing back after maybe something else. Just took a little bit longer, but just hang in there.
So what you went through is very typical. We call it the day 3 dips, or somewhere within the first few days, you're coming off the high of having surgery. Now your body's starting to recover, your energy level goes down, and inevitably you look in the mirror and you're
Yes.
like, whoa, what did I do?
What have I done?
Yeah. When that happened, did you reach out to us or did you just kind of stow it?
Unfortunately, we said I had good spousal support. He's
Yep.
like, oh yeah. I mean,
That's
I had
huge.
2 black eyes and he's like, you look great. And
Yep.
I'm now, this is terrible. What have I
Okay.
done? But then when I spoke with anyone from the office and I came in, you guys were super supportive. They're like, this is normal. And I just needed to know that it was normal and hang in there.
Yep.
And I did. And now I'm super happy.
Here you are. And you had a second bump in the road, and that was a little what we call seroma, which is we did netting sutures even after the netting sutures were gone. I think it was about a week or so
Yes.
later. You developed a little bit of a fluid collection in front of
I did.
your right ear, which was not an infection, but it's healing fluid called seroma.
Yes.
And I believe we had a needle drainage.
We did.
Yeah.
And then it was concerning to me
Yep.
because it was blood and I was like, I shouldn't be bleeding at this point. And it had some white blood cells. So I had a little bit of pus with it. So I was worried about the infection. And I was like, oh, great. Now I have an infection. But it came in. You guys saw me right away and made me feel so much better. And it healed.
Now you're 5 weeks, you keep healing. And we were talking, you got a little emotional when you said it, when you talked about like how you feel right now. Tell me about that. What has it done for you? Why did you feel emotional? How do
One,
you
I'm
feel?
just grateful. I'm
Yeah.
grateful that I did it, not instead of feeling guilty, like doing so much for myself. The time down, the money, just not made me able to do as much as we would normally do in the summer. But I feel super great and very thankful that I went ahead and did it. And I do feel great. And when I look in the mirror, I see myself. I was worried I was going to see some plastic Barbie. I just look in the mirror and I'm like, I remember this person from a couple of years ago. I don't feel that I look tired all the time and I just feel refreshed.
Well, that's great. It's really a privilege to be able to help people in this journey to get to that place. Super thankful to you for being willing to share your story. Not all of our patients do this. We're really grateful for the ones that do because it helps other patients that are looking at doing these things kind of understand what the process is like. We're going to see you back in 3 months. You're going to look even better, but everything's healing great.
I'm very happy. And
Awesome.
hang in there. That's
Yeah.
what I would say.
Got to hang in there. Awesome.
Thanks.